If you have active acne on your skin, do not pop that acne. Do not pop it for no reason. Do not pop your acne. Hi my loves, welcome and welcome back to another video. In today's video, I will recommend you 2 products that you can use to get rid of your acne. If you have active acne on your skin, or if you have an acne prone skin and you're looking for something that can really help get rid of that acne and just put your skin in check, this 2 product is going to help you do that. And this 2 product is currently a staple in my skincare routine that I use every now and then to just get rid of the acne on my skin. So I'm just here to plug you guys on. So let's just get right into the video. Now, the first product I'm going to recommend for you guys is this Neutrogena Rapid Clear 2-in-1 Fight and Fade Toner. This one is a very good product if you want to get rid of the acne on your skin. This product is going to help dry up your acne. Like in less than 8 hours, it is going to help dry up your acne. I am currently using this for my skin because I have an acne prone skin. It has really done a good job in terms of the acne, treating the acne and just gets rid of the acne completely. Now when you apply this on your skin, it's going to dry up that acne really fast, okay, in less than 8 hours. Now I'm not joking because I am using this product and I can testify that this product is very good. And it contains salicylic acid 2%, which is also very good for oily skin and also acne prone skin. So be rest assured that this is going to help get rid of your acne. Now this product, once you are using it for the very first time, it is going to leave that burning sensation on your skin, but do not panic. Once your skin starts getting used to the product, it is not going to give you any burning sensation anymore. So you can be rest assured that this product is going to get rid of your acne, and it is very effective. Okay, the last time I got this product, I got it for 14,000 naira, but currently in the market, if you want to get it now, the current price I think is more than that. You can get it now for like maybe 15 or 16,000 if I'm not mistaken. So this is a very good toner that you can just, if you really want to like spend your money on something, on a good quality product that can really help get the job done, I will advise you to invest your money in this particular toner if you have oily skin, or if you have acne prone skin and you really want to like get rid of that acne, or you have any active acne on your skin and you really want to get rid of that acne. This toner is going to help you do that. So you can just invest your money on this toner and it will get the job done for you. Now I'm going to give you guys some advice. If you have active acne on your skin, do not pop that acne. Do not pop it for no reason. Do not pop your acne, because you are going to be doing yourself more damage than good. Instead, just get this particular toner and pour it into your cotton pad and just use it to rub that area that you have the acne, and in less than 8 hours it's going to dry it up. And if you do it for like 3 times weekly, you are going to be seeing that the acne will just leave your skin completely. Instead of it to pop your acne or to start destroying your face with your own hands, it's better you just get this particular toner and use it for your face, and with time it is just going to dry up the acne and just dry it up completely. Okay, in less than a week, maximum a week, or maximum a week, you will see that your acne is dry up completely. Okay, and I'm not just hyping or just capping here. This is really effective, and most of you that are subscribed to my channel, you guys must have seen this product. Like I've talked about this product like 1 or 2 times on my channel. So this particular product is really effective in terms of acne treatment. It's just going to help you get rid of the acne. Okay, now the second product I have to recommend for you guys is the aloe vera gel. This aloe vera gel is the Decia aloe vera gel. This particular aloe vera gel is going to help soothing and also moisturize your skin. Now if you have oily skin, or if you have acne prone skin, this particular aloe vera gel, it is very good. This is a water-based moisturizer, so you can be rest assured that if you use this particular aloe vera gel on your face, it's just going to moisturize your face and also treat acne. We all know that aloe vera gel is an holy grail when it comes to treating acne and also getting rid of sunburn and also just healing the skin. This aloe vera gel can help you get that done. And when it comes to acne, it is very effective. It is just going to help get rid of your acne completely. Like what I do most of the times when I want to like fight that acne, like in less than a week, what I do, I use these 2 products. I use these two products when I want to fight the acne on my skin. Like, I just want to get rid of it. I don't want to see the acne on my skin. This is what I use immediately. I use this 3 times weekly, and I also use this 3 times weekly. I use them morning and night 3 times weekly to just help get rid of the acne completely, and it's just going to leave my skin really looking good and flawless. So if you want to get rid of your acne and you have tried several products and it's not working for you, just get this particular toner and get your aloe vera gel and use them together. In less than a week, you are going to be seeing results in your skin. Like, you're going to be seeing effective results in your skin using these two products together to get rid of your acne. Now, before I go, I want to say this. After treating your acne, the next thing you want to do is get rid of the dark spots on your face. In my next video, I'm going to be showing you how to get rid of the dark spots on your face completely. So you might want to stick around and watch that video, okay? So guys, we have come to the end of today's video. I hope you find this video helpful, and if you do not forget to like this video, subscribe, and also share with a friend, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.